Here is a quick installation guide for your Toku device. Components in the box will include the Toku device, a 1/2-inch MPT coupler, plus a guide outlining key installation details. Before going any further, first download the free Toku Talk app. Created as a tool to assist with the installation. This is available for both iOS and Android. Thread the provided coupling to your device. No tape is required. Tighten coupling to the device. You can turn the device on by pressing the black button on the bottom of the unit 4 times. Verify that the device is on by checking if the status and signal lights are flashing. These lights are located inside the top of the device. Now it's time to zero your device. Open the Toku Talk app and select the zero pressure function. The device is now zeroed. Please note that your device should be on a vertical plane in direct sunlight and in an area within cellular coverage. Thread your device into the desired location. At this point, you will need to use Teflon tape on the coupling, just like threading on a gauge. Check the status, readings, health, and connection of your device using the Toku Talk app. Now your device is installed and operating. For any questions, contact support@tokusystems.com.